solutions in here. We're going to go pretty fast on these solutions. Solution 1 that I'm putting in is glucose syrup. Can anybody tell me what glucose syrup is?
I think it's something that you put in food or something to make it taste better.
Yes, definitely make it taste better. It is C6H12O6, or otherwise known as liquefied sugar.
Woo!
It's a very high viscosity, which means that it doesn't flow real fast. So it's thick, but it's a liquid. See how it flows? But it's all it is liquefied sugar. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dishwasher liquid in there, because obviously we clean up sugar with.
Are you just taking random stuff?
Yes. Now I'm going to pour this in here, guys, and I pour it slowly.
What the fuck? Separate.
Now if you look at that, the dishwasher detergent, watch me move it upside down. Look, they both still flow, right?
That's so weird.
They both still flow, but one stays on top of the other. Now let's grab some water. I added red dye to the water.
Oh yeah. Christmas.
Now we know
It's like making it like purple.
Actually, red and green. I know it's doesn't go in the light stuff. It doesn't go through the white.
now a little bit sinks into the green, because obviously as it's going down the sides, there's some pressure. But if you look at it, as you can see, it's still red and green, right? Now let's pour some vegetable oil in there. As you can see, now as I let it sit here for a while, are the green and red starting to separate back out?
Yeah.
So even though they mixed a little bit, they're now starting to separate back out. As you can see, now we're going to pour the vegetable oil in. What do you think is going to happen to the vegetable oil?
It's gonna sink under the water,
Probably
but
gonna go
above the
either on top or it's gonna sink in. Or it's gonna push the red stuff up.
I think it'll go on top. Oh.
That's it's sitting on top of it. That's cool.
That's what?
That's cool.
Now let's add ethyl alcohol to this.
Yay! Alcohol!
Not what you're thinking, Mr. Coppola. This stuff would kill you. Okay?
Oh.
Now, I'm going to add this right here.
It's gonna go through. It's just like the red stuff. It's just sitting on top.
Now, it's also sitting on top. Now, when I look at this, guys,
Now I can't.
when I look at this, I'll bring it close up here. As I turn this, is everything still flowing?
Yeah.
Yes. But they're separate. Why do they stay separated?
Density. Different pressure chemicals.
Because the liquefied sugar is the most dense, so it forces the other stuff up, and then same with the green, which is the dishwasher detergent, and then the water. So
What I'd like you to do is draw a molecular model. When I say a molecular model, what that means is use X's as your molecules or atoms and draw from the bottom up what you think this looks like if I had an electron microscope. What would this look like as a model? Ty, you can shut that off.